Next, coming to kinetic properties of colloids. Kinetic properties of colloids involves Brownian movement, diffusion, sedimentation volume, and colligative properties. First, coming to kinetic properties of colloids used to determine the stability of a colloidal dispersions, used for determination of a molecular weight, used for determining the kinetics of a colloidal solutions. First property of kinetics of colloidal properties, Brownian movement. The Brownian movement can be discovered by Robert Brown. He was observed in pollen grains of a plants. Brownian movement means irregular pattern of a particle. It means zigzag movement of a zigzag pathway of individual particles. When a colloidal suspension containing colloidal dispersions, their particles are moved irregularly. Due to irregular movement of a particles, they are collided with each other and their direction can be changes. Due to Brownian movement of particles present in a colloids, they are having continuous motion in the colloidal dispersion. There are to improve the stability of the colloids. These Brownian movement can be caused due to gravitational force. These Brownian movement mainly depending on size of the colloidal particles and viscosity of a colloidal dispersion medium. If the size of the colloidal particles can be increases, Brownian movement can be decreases. Due to increasing in their size, Brownian movement of the particle can be decreases. So for effective Brownian movement of colloidal dispersion, particles are having small in size. Next, another parameter, viscosity. If the viscosity of the colloidal dispersion can be having higher, Brownian movement of colloidal dispersions can be decreases. Next, another parameter, diffusion. Diffusion is a principle used for determining the molecular weight of the colloidal dispersions. This diffusion can be determined by using following equation. So d RT by 6 pi neta n by 4 pi n into 3 m by b. In above equation, d means rate of diffusion, R means ideal gas constant, T means absolute temperature, neta means viscosity of the dispersion medium, n means Avogadro number, m means molecular weight of the sample, v means specific volume of the colloidal dispersion particles. By the use of this equation, you will determine the rate of diffusion of colloidal dispersed particles. Next, the amount of drugs distributed to the colloidal dispersions can be using by following equation. Next, another parameter is sedimentation volume. The sedimentation volume means the rate of sedimentation of colloidal particles present in a colloids, mainly depending on Brownian movement of the particles. If the Brownian movement is having higher, the rate of sedimentation volume can be slow. So particles which are having less than 0.5 micrometers, they are having Brownian movement to improve their stability. Sedimentation volume is a parameter used to indicate the physical stability of the colloidal dispersion. Sedimentation volume can be determined by using following equation. F is equal to ultimate volume of sediment by initial volume of sediment. Normally F values are lies in between near to 1. The formulation which is having near to 1, they are having good stability. Sedimentation volume or sedimentation rate can be described by using Stokes law. Stokes law is used to indicate the stability of the colloidal dispersions. Sedimentation parameter is used for determining the molecular weight of colloidal dispersions and also used for miscellaneous concentrations. Next, another parameter is colligative properties. In colligative properties, osmotic pressure is major role played in determination of kinetic properties of a colloidal dispersions. Osmotic pressure is used for determination. Osmotic pressure is mainly depending on molar concentration of a colloidal dispersions or a solution. Osmotic pressure is indirectly proportional to molecular weight of the colloidal dispersion. If the compound is having higher molecular weight, they are having low osmotic pressure. So these kinetic properties are used for determining the stability of a colloidal dispersions. Molecular weight of colloidal dispersions also used for kinetic property of a colloidal systems.